Deep in the hinterland of the Gold Coast lies a world suspended in time. This is Springbrook National Park, part of Australia's Gondwana rainforests, protector of living fossils and ancient stones. Here, the Twin Falls Circuit meanders through moss-draped cliffs, whispering leaves, and hidden waterfalls. A gentle 4-kilometer loop, the Twin Falls Walk welcomes travelers with open arms, families, quiet walkers, those seeking nature's embrace. Beginning at Talambana Picnic Area, or Canyon Lookout, the trail weaves under towering brush box and ferns amid volcanic rhyolite rock formations. Step lightly through rock clefts and carved stone paths. You'll pass beneath one waterfall, then another, the magic behind Twin Falls and Blackfellow Falls. These silent sentinels drop into clear rock pools 20 to 40 meters tall, whispering ancient geology. And yet, walkers keep moving, even beneath the falling water itself. Soaked or smiling, they pass through the spray like river spirits on a mission. Descend winding stairs, carved into the escarpment where water weaves through stone. Some passages narrow to a single stride, where stone walls rise tight on both sides, and ferns brush your shoulders. Pause behind the curtain of water. Feel the cool spray, Earth's perfume on your skin. Look up. Majestic cliffs hold stories millions of years old. Listen, wattlebirds, lyrebirds, catbirds, possums rustling in the trees above. The subtropical rainforest here is among Australia's richest. Mosses cling to ancient Antarctic beech and brush box trees aged beyond 1,500 years. This forest is not young, it remembers. Pause at a clifftop lookout, perhaps the best of all lookout. Fog drifts across the valley floor, revealing glimpses of distant seascapes and volcanic rims. In the mist, the plateau breathes quietly, guarded, serene. Overhead, eucalypts sway. New England blackbutt and blue mountain ash edging the rainforest boundary. In spring, wildflowers bloom. Rock heaths and bottlebrush lining the trail near openings where sunlight sneaks in. Circle back upward through a tapestry of palms, vines, and leaf litter. The forest hums with tiny life. Crayfish slip beneath rivulets, lizards dart across sun-warmed logs, and insects whisper in the warm, damp hush. Stand again in stillness. The forest vaults above you, silent, ancient, eternal. The rhyolite escarpment looms nearby, once part of the Tweed volcano's mighty rim, now turned to stone poetry. Travelers linger near the pool beneath the falls. Some brave the cold mountain water after rain. Others sit quietly, letting the minutes stretch like silk between raindrops. The air is cooler here than on the coast, shaded, silent, held in time. Every season brings a different song. Spring's bright blooms, autumn's soft fire, winter's foggy hush. After rain, the cascades erupt with voice, roaring, echoing, casting rainbows into the air like silent applause. And so the Twin Falls circuit returns to stillness. The ripples fade, the forest exhales. Yet just before the end, near the return to the top, there is a stone alcove framed by vines and water where many pause to photograph and film. It's one of the most photographed corners of Springbrook, a place where time halts and even cameras seem to listen. Twin Falls remains, not just a walk, but a heartbeat, a thread woven through rainforest, stone, and water, gentle, eternal.